say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right. Between the lines of fear and blame, you begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you told him all along, and pray to God he hears you. I pray to God he hears you. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. As he begins to raise his voice, you lower yours and grant him one last choice. Drive until you lose the road, or break with the ones you follow. He will do one of two things. He will admit to everything, or he'll say he's just not the same. And you'll begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Oh, how to save a life. Oh, how to save a life. Oh, how to save a life. Where did I go wrong?
You love from crumbling bridges, watching cityscapes turn to dust. Filming helicopters crashing in the ocean from way above. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. You've been locked in there forever and you just can't say goodbye. Kisses on the foreheads of the lovers wrapped in your arms. You've been hiding them in hollowed out pianos left in the dark. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. getting up on your knees. Oh, please, come on, haunt me. I know you want me. Come on, haunt me. Sharing all these secrets with each other since you were kids. Sleeping soundly with the locket that she gave you clutched in your fist. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. You've been locked in you forever and you just can't say goodbye. You've been locked in you forever and you just can't say goodbye. When you're all alone, I will reach for you. When you're feeling low, I'll be there too.
You got color in your cheek. You ever get the fear that you can't ship, the type that sticks around like something in your teeth? There's some aces up your sleeve. No idea that you're in deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? There's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat till I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling goes both ways? Sad to see you go, sorta hoping that you stay. Darling, we both know that the nights are mainly made to say things that you can't say tomorrow day. Rolling back to you, never thought of growing. You had a few, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. I thought it through. you go. Sort of hoping that you'd stay. Darling, we both know that the nights are mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Oh, crawling back to you. Never thought of crawling when you had a few, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. I thought it through, calling back to you. Never thought of calling when you had a few, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, calling back to you. Never thought of calling when you had a few, 'cause I always do. Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state. We'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. If the sun don't shine on me today, and if the subways flood and bridges break, will you lay yourself down and dig your grave, or will you rail against the dying day? And when we looked outside, couldn't even see the sky. How do you pay the rent? Is it your parents? Or is it hard work deep, holding the atmosphere? I don't wanna live like that, yeah. If the sun don't shine on me today, if the subways flood and the bridges break, so Jesus Christ can't save me tonight. Put on your dress, yes, wear something nice. Decide on me, yeah, decide on us. Oh, yeah, Lord, yeah, Lord. Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. saw the part of you that only when you're older you'll see too. You will see too. I held the better cards, but every stroke of luck has gotta bleed through. It's gotta bleed through. You held the balance of the time that only blindly I could read you. But I could read you. It's like you told me, go forward slowly. It's not a race to the end. You look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. You talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else. But now you're making me nervous. You were the better part of every bit of beating heart that I had, whatever I had. I finally sat alone, pitch black, flesh and bone. Couldn't believe that you were gone. Now you look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. Now you talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else. But now you're making me nervous. Now you look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. Now you talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else. But now you're making me nervous. You look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. You talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else. But now you're making me nervous. You look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. You talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else. But now you're making me nervous. I saw the part of you that only when you're older you'll see too. You will see too.
I'm scared. It feels
girl, you're so much more than gorgeous, so much more than perfect. Right now I know that I'm not really worth it. If you give me time, I could work on it. Give me some time while I work on it. Losing your patience, and girl, I don't blame you. The earth's in rotation, you waiting for me. Look at my face when I fuck on your waist, cause we only have one conversation a week. That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over Lil Peep. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over the sea, making my money and smoking my weed. I think it's funny, she opened up to me, get comfortable with me once I got it coming. I love her, she love me, I know that I'm nothing like someone the family want me to be. If I find a way, would you walk it with me? Look at my face while you talking to me, cause we only have one conversation a week. Can I get one conversation at least? Shout out to everyone making my beats. You helping me preach, this music's the only thing keeping the peace when I fall in the